Iroquois, Potawatomi, Wanamani, Sioux Indians, all having fiddle traditions. Today we're going to do a couple of fiddle tunes that I've composed and included on a CD called Red River Jig, which is a tribute, an honor CD to the Métis Indians of Canada, probably the most well-known indigenous fiddlers in North America. They got their name is French, called Métis. They call themselves the Bras Brûlés people, but they're traditionally a French people mixed with the Cree Indians of Canada. But today anybody of mixed blood heritage is a Métis Indian. Now I am Métis because on my mother's side my ancestors are Southern Paiute. On my father's side my ancestors are Scottish. Just out of curiosity, how many Indian people are here today, either mixed blood or full blood? All right, that's an adopted as well. First of all, I'm going to introduce both of these fiddle tunes and we'll play them. First one is called Raven Warrior, and a raven belongs to the same family of birds as the crow, which are sentinel birds, and meaning that they have a territory that they patrol. They keep out the raptors, which is good if you like songbirds, because the songbirds will flourish there. To Indian people, especially the Paiutes, the raven and the crow are also spirit messengers, able to cross between the living and the dead and carry messages to our relatives from the land of the sundown country. The second fiddle tune is called the Caribou Reel, and it's a tribute to the Gwich'in Indians of the Northwest Territory of Canada, who still rely on the caribou to feed themselves, as they live in a traditional way even today. They will follow the caribou and harvest as many as 26 caribou a year to feed a family of 4. So, here is Raven Warrior and Caribou.